What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be opening 6 Pokemon Furious Fist Booster Packs. I got these packs out of the Mega Charizard EX boxes. As I've already opened the boxes before, I didn't see the point in opening another box, so I'll just show you guys while I get in the packs. I got the boxes from Chaos Cards, check them out, link in the description below. Okay guys, so let's open them up, see what we get. First pack. There's card guys. First card then guys. Combuskin, Fighting Stadium, Gofarita, Slackoff, Patrat, Electabuzz, Clefairy, Makuhita. The reverse holo guys is a Breloom, and that is a star rare guys. And the card in this pack guys is another Breloom rare. Move on to the next pack then guys. There's another card guys. Okay guys, first card in this pack, Dedenne, Mountain Ring, Weeping Bell, Machop, Torchic, Lickitung, EV, Noibat, and the reverse holo guys is Amora, and the rare in this pack guys is Electivire, non-holo. That's our great pull so far guys. There's another card guys. Okay guys, first card in this pack, Sail Fossil, Sparkling Robe, Machoke, Poliwag, Cubchoo, Shelmet, Golett, Trapinch, and the reverse holo guys, Noibat, and the rare in this pack guys is an EX, Dragonite EX. That's a good pull there guys. Put that to the back there. On to the next pack. Kinda hoping to get the Lucario EX guys. First card then guys, Hitmonlee, Minshew, Sparkling Robe, Golett, Machop, Pulse, Clefairy, EV, reverse holo, Super Scoop. That's an uncommon card guys, and the rare in the pack guys is a Politoed, non-holo. Only 2 more packs left guys. First card in this pack guys, Pancham, Special Energy, Strong Energy, Klefki, Trapinch, Pancham, Torchic, Clefairy, Pikachu, reverse holo, Minshew, and the rare in this pack guys is a Victory Bell holo. Put at the back there. Last pack then guys. First card then guys, Karina, Training Centre, Machoke, Electabuzz, Gofarita, Makuhita, Lickitung, Poliwag, reverse holo, Electabuzz, and the rare in this pack guys is the Hypno, non-holo. Well there you go guys, that's the 6 packs. The 2 cards we got were a Victory Bell and a Dragonite EX. Well guys, thanks for watching. Please remember that I'm doing a giveaway at 50 subscribers, so please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. See ya.